Hello, are you an average user of Microsoft Outlook and you're figuring out how to send an email but you want to schedule that email to be sent at a specific time and day? Well, I'm going to show you how, but before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got Outlook opened up here, and in Outlook, if I just zoom in, you can see I've drafted an email to thank one of my subscribers for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're approaching 8,000 subscribers. So in Outlook, what you can do is there's this send button. If I click on the send button, it will send this email automatically. But however, on the right of it, there's a down arrow. Now in that down arrow, there's three options. There's send, where you're sending that email straight away. There's schedule send, and there is start a mail merge. The one I'm going to focus on for this video is the one that says schedule send. If I click on schedule send, what you do, it comes up with a pop-up box here. Now in this pop-up box, it asks you when do you want to send it, in terms of the day, in terms of the date and time, when do you want to send it. But if you want to choose your own customized time, you can send it then as well. So if you want to send it tomorrow at 8 o'clock, you select that and click on send. If you want to send it Monday, December 22nd, 2025 at 8 o'clock, you select that and send. But however, if you want to choose a custom time, you click on custom time, you choose the date you want to send it. Let's say if I want to send it on Thursday, and in that or on that day, if I want to choose 5 o'clock, just on my work hours, send it then. I'll just click on send, then that email will be ready to be sent on that day, on the 18th, at that time. And to be honest, before you click on send, or when you do click on send, you can always go back into your drafts and change the email, the content of the email, or the recipients, or add more recipients in. You've got more time to review the email before it's been sent. So that's just a quick and easy video showing you how to schedule your emails so they are sent on specific days and at specific times. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.